Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are showing that Node.js introduction. So today we are showing basic theoretical part. So I mostly try to cover the more practical compared to the theoretical, which is help you to crack the interview. Or if you are beginner, you can create your own Node.js structure. With that, we can create a API. So we can see that everything in that next video. So if I go to that slide, so here you can say what is it. So Node.js is nothing but JavaScript builder. So we are running the JavaScript on the server, nothing else. So JavaScript code we can run on the server using that Node.js. So Node.js is behind the scene is using the V8 engine of the Chrome. So there are separate browser using that different engine. So like Firefox is using the Spider Monkey. Okay, same as that Node.js is using very popular V8 engine to run that code. So behind the scenes, that Node.js code is written in entire thing in C++ and C and many more languages, but we no need to worry. We just need to understand the basic of JavaScript to start with the Node.js. Here you can say bundled libraries such as HTTP, HTTPS file system. So we have that so much library to use the Node.js. Okay, we can use the HTTP, HTTPS file system also. Those are the inbuilt library when we start with the Node.js. So Node.js is using that small C library to handle the socket connection. So socket connection is mostly used for that live interaction, like chat application or anything runtime. If we need to create a runtime connection, then we can use that socket connection. So that is also possible with that Node.js. Okay, then npm package manager, it is huge library connection. So when we need to install any of that packages, we can use this npm package manager. So why it is cool? So JS is inherently asynchronous, high performance with a many concurrent user, non-blocking input output. Non-blocking means it is not blocking any coding. So suppose if I check this, okay, so here you can see we have that console log in that first line, then we have promises. So no need to worry about the code, we can understand the code, but this is that basic example for the understanding how Node.js is working. So if I run this code, okay, I already installed Node, so that's why I'm able to do that using Node.js. But in the next episode, next video, we can see that how we can install the Node.js. If I run this, you can see that first is print. This is the test file. The first line is print. So instead of blocking this promises and set timeout, Node.js is printing directly this end of the test file. You can see. Then it is give the priority of that promise, and then in the end we can do that set time. So this is happened due to that event loop. So behind the scenes, there is a library called libuv, which is used by that Node.js itself. So we don't need to worry about those things, but it is handling itself using event loop. Node.js is using this type of structure. It is not, so that's why we can see that non-blocking code. Okay, then no translation need between the server and client object. Okay, there is no need to change that language. Same language you can use in entire project. Everyone can use that same language. So who is using a Node.js? So many more popular company like Google, Microsoft, Yahoo, eBay, Facebook, LinkedIn, many small company are using that Node.js. So this is that basic introduction of the Node.js. If you want that additional information, you can go to official website nodejs.org. This is that Node.js official website, and there is a framework called Express, which is most popular. We can use in that Node.js. So we can go to that express.org also to get the more info. Okay, that's it from today's video. So if you have any question or anything, you can write down in the comments.